Hello, welcome to DorkyEverAfter.
Yeah.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how we make our tea and drink our tea. Well, I mean, we drink tea like humans, but how we make our tea.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
How we make our tea.
British versus American, tea drinking. Also a bit of how Jamie made tea when she first came to the UK.
Yeah.
Because of it was let's get into that. But first, what have we got here, wife?
Well, we've got a box.
We got a box. This is a box we ordered from Bai recently. If you're long term on this channel, you're familiar with Bai. Bai is a way you can order things from Japan really easily.
Yeah.
And this is a box with a few random things. And Jamie has no idea what's in it.
No. I'm really grateful for Bali right now because I miss Japan.
We went hard on loving Japan. If you're missing travel, highly recommend trying Japanese stuff from Bai. We'll put a link down below with a discount code as well, so you can get 10% off your first order if you haven't used it yet.
Cool.
It's really good. Anyway,
Yay, box.
Bai, thank you for gifting this. Shipping, we're going to open it and then have some tea.
I'm excited. Don't pop it, please. Don't pop it. This is one of those things where it's a very big box, so there's actually only one small box inside.
It looks like it was a very big box, but like very well like protected package.
Oh, there's two boxes. Okay.
3 boxes.
There's 3 boxes.
Okay, start with the first
Wow.
box.
Yeah, I got enough. Oh, the boxes are so cute. So here's the box.
Lots of Mickey shop Disney.
Oh,
Oh, I see inside Mickey Mouse inside.
It's got his signature on the inside.
That's cute.
What? That's so cool. Now, is this for you or for me?
I'm not sure what
This
this
is
is.
the thing where it's smaller on the inside. Oh.
Okay, so inside this box, this is such a troll. There was that bag, and then a plastic bag. This was really small.
This is not that big box. Never mind.
Okay, come on. What did Japan ship you?
A spoon. A teaspoon. That's gonna be in this whole thing. It's a cute plastic bag, but yeah. So this is the only thing that was inside that box. Now I will say this is very cute. Did you order this one or did I? Because I think I ordered this one.
You ordered.
Okay, good. But it'll be good for our tea later.
Jamie has some little Japanese dessert spoons that are the cutest, and that's perfect given we're trying tea today. There's another Shop Disney box inside. Maybe this one will be better.
Yeah,
So
we'll see.
I know from when I ordered the Shop Disney stuff to buy this time, normally Shop Disney will ship everything in the same box to buy. This time they shipped a few separate packages. So I think what happened was maybe the spoon was like in stock later or something. But for whatever reason, they have to send the spoon separately, so the spoon ended up being in a separate shipping to Bai. Oh, this one's got Minnie on it as well.
It's cool boxes.
Some protective packaging.
What?
So currently everywhere, Disney and Pixar are doing this thing called Alien Remix. Funkos, all other product lines to celebrate the 25th anniversary of Pixar. It has all these aliens remixed as other characters. In Japan, they had a special set, so that you obviously can't get from Disney here because it's a Japanese bowl. And I am so excited.
Yeah! That's good.
Porcelain cup with the Alien Remix on it, and it comes with a lid like that, and it's microwave safe, so you can microwave things. But then you have it, and you have your 2 little bowls. I love it so much. It's got like the Pixar ball, Toy Story clouds, and some Toy Story remix aliens. So normally when we do buy orders, what we do is Jamie and we will just split the order, so we'll pick things like we each like, and in this case, the shipment includes the things I ordered. So we got some
I think it's all your stuff.
some more Alien Remix Japanese things. You open that one, I'll open this one. Oh, that's so cool.
Oh, that's a spoon. Oh, you got like a whole set. I got
It's
it.
another bowl. How cool is this?
So good.
That's so cool. It's clear file.
Yay.
So clear files are really cool. Japanese stationery. Jamie loves it.
Yeah.
Last one in this box. And then we're gonna make some tea.
Yeah. Oh, it's your Starbucks one.
Oh yes. Okay, cool.
I got a spoon this time.
This is funny.
It is funny. We've got
So-
more stuff coming.
With this buy shipment we did this time, we split the shipment into 2 because of the shipment overall was too big to ship internationally,
Yeah.
so I had to divide it.
Yeah.
So this is the smaller shipment that came first. I can also recommend on the back of this, if you're shipping via Bai and DHL is cheaper, go for DHL because this arrived within 4 days from Japan. So quick.
I was thinking that. Oh my gosh, it's trapped again.
This is another one of those Starbucks mugs that I got from Yahoo Japan, which is their auction site in Japan. And this one is time of year, autumn.
Now how do you say squirrel?
Squirrel.
Show you how we make our tea.
I'm also intrigued about the thing where you said that you made it differently when you first came to the UK.
Right then. Basically, I didn't know what tea was. I don't drink tea. I didn't drink tea before this. So my first cup of tea, I just added water. I thought that's what you meant to do. Actually, I added cold water, then I put it in the microwave because we didn't have a kettle. And then I microwaved it with the bag until it was hot.
I was going to be like, that's fine, she had a black tea. And it's like, oh. I
put cold water in.
You didn't even start with hot water from a tap.
No, I just
cold water. So basically you went iced tea route and then microwaved it.
Yeah. And then I tried it. I was like, this is bitter and crap. And I never had tea again.
So what got you onto accepting tea?
It's so cold here all the time. So I started having hot drinks because I couldn't have hot coffee all the time.
Yeah.
And we have decaf tea normally. We do decaf. But I started drinking tea. One, when I had a sore throat once, and two, when I realized, oh, people drink tea here because it's cold. And then you just continue drinking tea because you got in a habit of drinking tea. So how I make tea now, and I do have tea all of the time.
I also like the UK test. So
I know, it's so good. Is it Tetley?
Tetley.
Tetley tea is what we use, just English breakfast tea. Then I add water. I let it brew, just like a little bit. I don't like a very strong tea, so I only brew a little bit. Then I take the tea bag out after a while, a little bit of skim milk, and I'm done. Sometimes I'll add honey if I feel like having it be sweet, but most of the time I like it being not sweet.
It's pretty standard way of making tea. I mean, there are ways you can make tea that infuriate people.
And here is a Jamie Joe cup of tea. And there's my thumb that I chopped.
You got this, which is a decaf tea bag, because I tend to have decaf drinks where possible because I get migraines. With lots of hot water. I keep going, and I keep going, and there we go. And like Jamie, I leave mine sit there quite a while. This new little spoon you've got is so cool.
I know, and I've got the old one on mine.
It's time to relax. Mickey Mouse Life of Happiness.
I like how the words kind of make sense.
He is a life of happiness. I recently tried to eat flavoured tea for the first time with this Yorkshire tea. It's like a biscuit brew, so it was a tea that was, it tastes like tea and biscuits. It's got kind of like a vanilla-y taste to it. I like flavoured drinks. And that was nice. Not decaf, but passable. But now it's made me really want to try other flavoured teas. So if any of you try flavoured teas, whether it be mint, peppermint, lemon or anything, please let us know in the comments down below what you would recommend I try as a flavoured tea in the future. And
to translate for Americans, when he says biscuit, he meant cookies. It tastes like cookies and tea.
Okay. I then do a dab of honey.
That's not a dab, that was like 3 tablespoons.
Can you imagine if you added tablespoons of honey to it? Oh no.
I think you just did add a tablespoon. Shall I test it? How much honey did Tom actually add? Test.
1, 2, 3. I stop.
It's not too
That's
bad.
not bad. There's probably about 2 teaspoons worth of honey I've added to a tea. Don't do my route. That's too much honey. I'm like Winnie the Poohing. Wait, no. Don't ever use that phrase. Don't ever use that phrase.
It's not a phrase in our household. It's always gonna be there.
To Winnie the Pooh to add too much honey to tea.
No.
Did you say you were Winnie the Poohing?
That's what you said.
That's what
You said I'm Winnie the Poohing, which is funny. Normally with tea, I love to have cake, but this is banana bread. Hello, banana bread.
That's our video on how we make tea. Let us know if you guys make tea any different in the comments down below. And thank you for joining us for more of a chill video this week, unboxing and just tea. It's fun.
I like those.
Yeah, it's really good. A few weeks ago you guys said you want to see more just like the chill life stuff, so if you do enjoy this, let us know. And if there's anything else you want to see, as always, please let us know down below.
And we'll see you next Sunday. Yay! Woo!
Your little Japanese spoon, like, because this is never like, Jamie has these like, the spoons they have at Disney Store Japan are so good. Because
keep it in there.
I keep it in there, yeah.
Buddy.
It's cute. It's like little character mascots. Bye!
Thank you for watching and bye.